Yo, welcome back to another video on the Caddy camper series. This is officially going to be episode 1 of the series, I guess. But so in today's video, what I'm sitting on now is the wooden floor in the back of the van. But today I'm going to be not carpet lining. I'm going to be laying some lino. So this is how the floor of the van currently looks. It's just a piece of wood that was in there when I brought it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it out. I've brought some lino from where did I buy it from? B&M, which I'll show you. So if we just go in the old garage, turn the music off so I don't get copyrighted. So here it is. I thought the lino would look quite sick on the floor, and if it gets dirty, it would just wipe clean, which is nice. I think it's only like 40 quid. So today's video is going to be me fitting that, which is going to be quite cool. Never ever fitted lino before. How hard can it be? Can't be as hard as fitting the old carpet line on the back, so which I'm quite proud of. So I think it looks sick. And plus, it's literally on a flat surface, so how easy can it get? So let's get on to it. The first thing I've got to do is, as you might be able to see around here, there's screws dotted about everywhere. I'm going to take all the screws out and get the piece of wood out. Right, so I'm pretty sure I've just taken out all the screws. Hopefully I'm not missing any, but yeah, let's get the old wood out and place it down on the grass over there.
You suck!
Right, so I've got the piece of wood out. It is annoying that it's got these random holes. I don't know what they're for, but I could probably fill that with like some expanding foam or something, so then sand it down so it's nice and flush. So let's get the old lino out and mark it and cut it, I guess. So we've got the massive old tube of lino out. Don't know if you better see on this photo here. That's what it should look like. It's only 40 quid. Bargain. Absolute bargain. So let's take it out, unroll it, and mark it out. So what I've decided to do, I'm going to mark it out on the grass instead of the concrete, so it won't scratch up the lino. So hopefully, yeah, it won't scratch it up. So let's do that. Laid out in the lino, I'm definitely going to have enough, hopefully. If I do, now trace around it with the old, couldn't find a Sharpie, so blue biro, that'll have to do. And cut it out. So as you can see there, I don't know if you will be able to see, it's all traced out. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to, instead of cutting on the line where I've just traced it, cut a couple of mil over. So I have room for error, which is quite nice. Now, would scissors be better or would a Stanley knife? So while I'm doing all of these things as well, I'm currently spraying the rear wiper delete for the van, which I'll show you actually quickly. So I've just got some aluminium tape in there at the moment, but get the old wiper delete. Job's a good one. Job's a good one, mine. And if I keep sniffing, it's because I'm currently getting over a cold. Not COVID, because I can still smell and taste. I went on a mission and I found some skiers. So let's skier it out. Right, so I've done a rough cut around it. It's not perfect because it's not perfect. I've left like a little couple of mil around all the outside. I'm gonna quickly place it on the piece of flooring, see how far I am off, and then if it needs to be shaved a bit more, I'll cut it a bit more, and then we'll see where we are. As expected, it does need to be shaved a bit more, as you can see, all the overhang around the edge. So let's do that and see where we are after that. Yo, that was long. It better be right, otherwise I quit. So it's all cut out. So I'm now gonna place the old floor back on the floor, on the floor, and see where we are. So the plan is to use this stuff, trim fix adhesive. This is the same stuff I used to do the carpet lining. Don't know if it's the right stuff to use, but it's all I have, so I'm just gonna send it, and hopefully it works. So let's get to it. I'll actually lay the wood back in the van before I can actually glue it down. I don't think that is the right glue either, but there's only one way to find out. And I just thought as well, you're not going to want to watch me screw down a piece of wood, so I'll cut back when I'm done. Right, I don't know where I left off, but I may have forgot to film, but it's all the floor's all screwed down now, and it's all been glued down as well. So this is the finished result. Looks pretty sick. Mint. So that's today's video's done. I hope you liked what I filmed today. Bit of a random one, but please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.